Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you trying to find fuses relays for the hybrid system on Mercedes GLC first generation. Guys, if you have a plug-in hybrid, you have multiple fuses relays specifically designed for your hybrid. We'll explain where they're located. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools and diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix such as just a bad fuse, and after that, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, we'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the hybrid system, come to show you guys which fuses and relays we need to check specifically here. We'll be working multiple fuse boxes. One of them is on the inside. What we guys need to do here, okay, come to the passenger side. You need to remove your glove box. Behind it, on the left side, deep inside the dash, you have a pre-fuse box, dash pre-fuse box. When you open it, you have that layout here. Specifically here guys, we need to check fuse number 2. When you have the hybrid, you have that fuse right here. We don't. Okay, but if you have it, it will be this fuse here. Next, guys, what else you will need to check? Fuse number 10. And fuse number 10 will be this fuse right here that you will guys need to check. But we're not done. We need to come to the passenger side again. And in the footwell compartment on the A pillar, we have a cover. Open that cover. Behind that cover, you will have that layout here. We need to check here specifically fuse 301. If you have a hybrid, you have that one, and 309, this fuse right there as well. And guys, we are not done. Next, we need to open the hood. Under the hood, okay, we'll be working first in that fuse box. On the driver's side, remove that cover. Underneath you have a fuse box with that layout here specifically. We need to check fuse number 100. You're going to have a giant fuse right here if you have a hybrid, right here, 100. You may have that one. You may need to check fuse 112 right here. Then you need to check fuse number 118. That will be a fuse right there. Fuse 127 right here. And guys, you need to also check some of you, okay, you're going to have, you see that fuse right here, okay, known as 129. You will need to check that one as well. Relay O and I. You wonder where these relays are. This will be I. If you have it, it will be here. But relay O is that little relay, white relay under the cover. Okay, it's integrated right there. Check that one too. We're not done. We're going now under the hood again where the positive jump starter terminal is located. Okay, if you remove that cover, that's what it looks like. That's actually a pre-fuse box. That's the back side of it. And when you open that pre-fuse box, we have something similar to this one, multiple fuses, guys. Now, here, depending on the year and model, you may have 2 different configurations, okay? But specifically here, guys, okay, you will need to check, let me show you now, fuse number 12, right here. That connection, fuse number 12, and you will need to check guys fuse number C2 right here will need to be checked as well. And after that guys, okay, you may have a different design fuse box. You need to check fuse C1 right there. And in the trunk we'll have more fuses. Open the trunk, leave the liner up, underneath you see that flap, open it, and that's the trunk fuse box. Here you may have up to 3 more fuses. We're talking about fuse number 412. You have that fuse here, most likely. 457, so that's 456, 457, the second green fuse. Okay, and 459 right here. Those are the main hybrid fuses, guys. If you have Mercedes GLC with hybrid system, those are fuses relays that we usually check here at the garage. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.